Hi, sweet friends. So, this is an exercise that you can use if you're feeling anxious or if you feel like you're spinning. You simply want to ground back into your body and connect to nature. So, to begin, I invite you to have a seat with your back supported and your head free, and we'll take a few breaths together. So, I invite you to breathe in through your nose, right into your heart. And as you exhale, feel your forehead soften, your jaw relax, your shoulders drop, your heart open. Really good. Now breathing in through your nose, this time all the way down to your belly. And as you exhale, again, dropping the shoulders, opening the heart, and softening the belly. On this inhale, I invite you to breathe all the way down into your pelvis, all the way down into that bowl at the very root of your spine. And as you exhale, letting everything soften, letting stress just roll off your shoulders, down off your fingertips. Really good. You can close the eyes if you haven't already. And I invite you to take a few breaths in your own time, letting them be easy and natural, allowing yourself to be breathed. So you're not manipulating or controlling your breath. It's almost as if the breath is breathing you. Really good. And now we're going to engage our imagination. So I invite you to imagine that you have two beautiful golden cords shooting down through the bottoms of your feet and connecting to the floor. And imagine these beautiful golden cords traveling from your feet through the floor all the way down to the earth. So through the foundation of your building. Now imagine these beautiful, powerful golden cords traveling down through the surface of the earth, all the way through the layers of the planet until it arrives at the very core of the planet. And as you imagine these cords, feel this pulsation of energy from the bottoms of your feet all the way down to the core of the earth. This incredibly powerful molten center of our planet. Imagine that energy, that grounding energy shooting up through these cords and traveling all the way up through the bottoms of your feet and energizing you and grounding you through your toes, the arches of your feet, your heels, your calves, your knees, thighs, hips, and pelvis. So this beautiful energy is traveling all the way up from the very center of the planet through these golden cords, through your feet, all the way up to your hips and now up into your belly, until finally it lands in your heart. So enjoy the sensation of grounding, like a magnet is pulling you down into the earth, so that any anxiousness, any spinning energy, any overwhelm is rushing down through the bottoms of your feet. And you're surrendering it into the planet Earth while simultaneously you're pulling up this beautiful, rooted, grounded energy from the planet, all the way up into your heart. Really good. Now I invite you to bring your awareness to the very crown of your head. Can you imagine an actual crown? A halo of sorts, right at the top of your head. A beautiful, white, vibrant halo. If you were to imagine that this were a crown, I invite you to extend this crown up many feet into the air until it becomes a funnel. So you can have this iridescent, beautiful white funnel of energy at the crown of your head, so that we can become a vessel for nature's intelligence to pour down into us. So imagining this beautiful white light pouring down from the cosmos down into this crown, this funnel on top of your head. And then imagining this purifying white light pouring down through the top of your head, through your forehead, relaxing your eyes, your ears, your jaw, opening up your throat, and landing in your heart. So we're really engaging our imagination here, practicing the simultaneity of this beautiful white iridescent light pouring down from nature, pouring down from above through this funnel, through the top of your head, all the way down into your heart. And simultaneously, we have these two golden cords rooting through our feet, connecting to the core of the earth and sending grounding energy all the way up through our feet, again, meeting at our heart. So to close, we're going to allow these two energies to dance with each other. This purifying universal intelligence pouring down through your crown, and this beautiful golden grounding energy pouring up through your feet. I invite you to imagine now a figure eight, and your heart is the crossroads of this figure eight. And the bottom loop is going from your heart to a few feet below your feet. The top loop is going from your heart to a few feet above your head. So with each breath, we can imagine cycling this energy through the figure eight, enjoying this golden grounding energy through the cords of the bottom of our feet, bringing that up from the earth, letting it be purified and magnified through our heart, and imagining this pulsation of energy going up through our crown, a few feet above our head, and then cycling back down through our heart. So I'll give you a few moments to imagine this pulsation of energy going up and down this figure eight, simultaneously grounding you and allowing you to be a vessel for universal intelligence to pour through your head and your heart. Imagine this energy purifying your nervous system, grounding your nervous system, and let it be an invitation for any downloads that nature has for you, for any guidance that nature is ready for you to receive, opening up your mind and opening up your heart to those now, while you remain firmly rooted to the earth. Enjoying this beautiful polarity of connecting both with the earth and with the heavens. And you can stay here for as long as you like. Whenever you're ready to come to a close, I invite you to gently caress each arm with your fingertips, ever so gently bringing your awareness back into this body, back into this room. Placing your hands together, perhaps moving your feet against the carpet, reminding yourself that every time you take a step, it can be a reminder to ground down into this earth energy. And taking a big cleansing inhale. And as you exhale, let go of anything that got dislodged, anything that got purified during that exercise. One more cleansing inhale. And as you exhale, you can sigh it out. Really good. And in your own time, whenever you're ready, let's start to gently, easily open the eyes. right, friends, high five, bravo. Thank you for taking this time to purify your own energy, to ground into the earth, and to open yourself up to be a vessel for the divine. I hope you enjoyed it. I recommend that you use this anytime you're feeling a bit of anxiety, a bit of overwhelm, anytime you need to be firmly rooted into the ground. And if you enjoy exercise like this, I would love to teach you how to meditate on your own. And you can join me for the first 3 days of my most popular training at zivameditation.com/preview. Okay, I'm sending you so much love. Happy meditating.